We'll pivot now, switch gears, and talk about the weather on this beautiful Saturday morning here in the Bay Area. Here's Zoe.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
going to be a
Zoe.
great day to get outdoors, soak up some sunshine, all ahead of increased fire danger and maybe even a few
Okay.
rumbles of thunder Sunday night and into
Wow.
early Monday. Yeah.
In July.
In July. That's not what we expect.
No, a little concerning though.
It's a little concerning, and it's actually all thanks to monsoonal moisture, if you can believe it, from the desert southwest. So we're getting in on some of that moisture along with the southerly flow that's bringing in some moisture from the Gulf of California as well. So not only are we looking at a time lapse filled with fog in the Santa Clara Valley, but there's also upper level clouds that are moving overhead. And those upper level clouds are, again, the signal of the incoming moisture. And there's going to be a lot of really cool wispy clouds out there this evening, which is going to make for an even more beautiful sunset. So make sure you are looking at the sky for the sunset this evening. It's going to be really nice out there. Unless maybe you live directly along the coast, because you'll likely be seeing something closer to this view, foggier conditions, that marine layer. But the marine layer is actually going to get shallower and shallower over the next couple of mornings. And by Monday morning, we might not even be waking up to a marine layer. Right now, though, it is cool. It is comfortable out there. Mid to lower 50s across our inland East Bay communities. And South Bay are at 57 degrees, and San Jose, Concord 57 as well. And we'll continue to warm up a few degrees above what we felt yesterday across our inland East Bay communities. And even along the coast, it might be a couple of degrees warmer as high pressure is revolving, or high pressure is really the dominant factor in our weather. And high pressure, as many of you know, actually spins clockwise. So clockwise spinning around this area of high pressure, also known as a heat dome, is impacting our weather. This heat dome is actually bringing record high temperatures for places like northern Utah, Idaho, over to Montana. It's bringing out some heat as well, but the bigger impact is, again, the rotation of the winds around that high pressure system. They rotate clockwise, so you'll see a strong southerly breeze that's actually drawing in moisture from the Gulf of California up across the state, but it's also bringing in moisture from the monsoon from Arizona and New Mexico and drawing it into California. So both of these are going to be increasing our cloud coverage and increasing our chance for a few rumbles of thunder. So let's take a look at what we're going to see over the next 24 to 48 hours. Look at that. All of that rotating moisture around that area of high pressure. And you also notice a little bit of green. That's supposed to signify some rain. And I do think rain is going to fall over the Sierra. But when you get closer to the Bay Area, it's going to be so dry at the surface. All of the rain is going to evaporate before reaching the ground. It's going to create what's known as a gusty outflow boundary, really whipping up those winds. So if any lightning does spark and ignites the really dry fuel at the ground, that fire danger is going to be extremely high. So we'll keep a very close eye on the potential for dry lightning. This will be late Sunday night and into early Monday. And then we'll be seeing much drier and much quieter conditions heading our way into late Monday and Tuesday. So it really all depends on what day you have plans. Monday afternoon, though, that is when we're expecting the heat to really build across the Central Valley with triple-digit high temperatures. Inland East Bay, you'll be right on the cusp of that triple-digit mark, sitting in the upper 90s. You head over to the coast, it's going to be cooler, obviously, but it's still going to be in the low 70s for places like Half Moon Bay and Pacifica on Monday. So a big heat up is on the way Monday and into Tuesday, after that potential for dry lightning and fire danger, mainly across our inland East Bay, North Bay communities. That's where the fire danger will be the highest, and on the higher elevations of places like the Santa Cruz and Diablo Range. So yes, fire danger is heightened late Sunday and into Monday. The heat sticks around through Wednesday before cooling down back to seasonable by the time that we step out Thursday and Friday. So there's actually a lot to talk about in the weather department over the next couple of days. There is heat, there's increasing fire danger. So no matter what, if you live across the Bay Area this weekend, keep your eyes on the sky and send me some cool cloud pictures. I'm sure you're going to see a lot of them. Back to you.